Hi there, my name's Stephen and welcome along to this composite editing course. We're going to have a look at the art of taking two images and blending them together to create some really cool conceptual and surreal artwork. Now, compositing isn't a new thing. It's been going on in photography for years, even back in the days of film, but it's not news to the extent it is now. The advantage really of digital photography is that it means we can play around with images endlessly. We'll be using Adobe Photoshop, but in this course, if you've got comparative tools and other software, you may be able to follow along. You will need a basic understanding of Photoshop to follow along smoothly. Now, in terms of compositing, we're going to create a number of different projects. I'm going to show you the tools that you'll use, so by the end of the course, you'll be able to create your own composites, whether it's something that's more photorealistic, something a little bit more in the way of fantasy, or something completely surreal. Afterwards, you'll be able to create any type of composite that you wanted to.